Hello friends, my name is Vikram and today our topic is information to SQL. So first of all, what is SQL? So SQL is a structured query language. Is a programming language for storing and processing information in a relational database. A relational database store information in tabular form with rows and columns representing different data attributes and various relationships between the data and value. So you can use the SQL statements to store, update, remove, search, or retrieve data from the database. You can also use SQL to maintain and optimize database performance. So why we why SQL is important? So structured query language is a popular query language that is frequently used to all the types of applications. Data analysts, developers learn and use SQL because it is integrated well with different programming languages. For example, they can embedded with SQL queries with the Java programming language to build high performing data processing application with major SQL database systems such as Oracle or MySQL Server. So let's see history of the SQL. So SQL was invented in 1970s based on relational data model. It was initially known as the structured English query language. Then term was later shortened to SQL. So Oracle form known as relational software because the first vendor to offer a commercial SQL relational database management system. So let's see what are the component of the SQL. So relational database management system used to structured query language to store and manage the data. So the system store multiple database tables that related to each other, MySQL Server, MySQL or MS Access. So SQL table. SQL table is a basic element of relational database. The SQL database table consists of rows and columns. Second is a column SQL statements. SQL statements or SQL queries are valid in introduction of relational database management system. So how does SQL work? So SQL implementation involves a server machine that processes the database queries and return the result. The SQL process goes through several software components including the parser, relational engine, store engines, etc. So what are the SQL commands? First one is so there are the different SQL commands. First one is the data definition language, data query language, data manipulation language, data control language, and transaction control language. So thank you so much for watching this video.